Odinga.
I always forget salutations, but Your Excellency, dignitaries, fellow mourners, and all protocols observed, good afternoon. Jotura, untie, Baba Nendo. Oyeyo ajigi ere ajigi enkai viene acá. Give him a mic. Give him a mic.
Joey! Agweyo mogik nikech amolo kamora mora mane entie no luonga mondo agwe atimo niero kamano Winnie kum timo gimitimo ni adwa ni mondo agwe na molo Yugi dwaro ni mondo ayud sigara maber nikech amolo nohero sigweya ta dwaro sigweya maber sigweya mana akwongo gweyone Ramogi wuoga kobi une wang'ile Keuje koneo makowirwa Yenye kura logo agombo mono Raila kod wuogo to en mnale rawiera Joey Kegonea Amolo koko mar jonanga ruodhi Ramogi wuogo kobi une wang'ile Keuje koneo makowirwa Yenye kura logo agombo mono Raila kobuodho to en mnale rawiera Orao Moi Orao Kibaki Orao Uru Kawuono omiyowa broad-based government Po amolo mosnwa jodongo man malo Piny osiko to oksikie Ogia jura ura chulo ka ugo kura bono dhi konyo sakwata the head how much the money nyara kumkokote kwata jo kalwangni Ajiki kodhi amo
Ang'eyo ni un gi lit. Kendo un gi rem. Beduru mana gi kwe kende. Nyasaye bro miwa lot. Ji osebedo kawoyo marach ewi bondo ka. Wakuod wigi. Kendo wanyisgi ni bondo ka nigi sibor. They wrote for me a speech, but today I have nothing to say. I want to thank you all, and there are a few people here I would like to specifically thank. To the staff of Baba, led by George Okong Opondo, Mr. Andrew Mondo, thank you for your loyalty and support. To Dennis Onyango, Keta Onyango, Maurice Ocheng, Jack Nyamburi, Florence Olang, Ibrahim Auma, Jeff Oyer, Emmanuel Wanson, and others, thank you. To the staff of East Africa Spectre, Jof, and all the other officers, thank you. To Washington, Martin, Victor, Rose, Jackie, David, Caleb, Steve, Joanne, Joyce, and others, thank you. And finally, to the late George Odwor, Eric Ominde, Juma, and my partner, Maurice Ogeta. On behalf of the Odinga family, thank you all for your love and service. Your Excellency, our people appreciate you honoring our father. Thank you for standing with us. You should also know, in case you are wondering, I'm ready to come back home, if you were wondering. To all the leaders we visited around the world, I will return personally to thank you. Thank you, Kenya. God bless you all. God bless the Republic. God bless Baba's legacy. Long, the king is dead, but long live the crown. Thank you.
Fellow mourners, Joey, Yathura Joey, Joey. I want to take this opportunity now to invite Winnie Odinga, I mean not Winnie, Rosemary Odinga to come and also give her eulogy. Karibu Rosemary.